come here. Today we're going to talk about knives and the different types of knives that you should have in the kitchen to make your work in the kitchen so much easier. Let's get it. First knife up is going to be a paring knife. A paring knife is good for those small jobs with things you can have in your hand and you can actually choke up on the knife and get stuff done that you need to get done. Second knife you're going to need to think about is a really good bread knife. A bread knife is going to be a knife that's going to be 9 to 12 inches long. It's going to have a serrated edge on there. This is not only good for bread, but it's also good for things like melons, tomatoes, things that you need to use that sawing action to get through. The next knife we're going to talk about is a knife called a slicing knife. So your meat slicer is going to be good for cutting up all of your meats and things of that nature. What you're going to look for in a nice meat slicer are these little divots on the knife so that when you slice through your meat, it falls right off. Next knife up is going to be our chef's knife. And this is a 10-inch chef's knife. Chef's knives are normally from 8 to 10. Some chef knives are 12 inches long. You'll find a chef knife has that little rounded edge and that point on the end. This is going to be one of your most versatile knives in the kitchen. One of the most important tools that you're going to need for all of your knives is going to be a honing steel. This is a honing steel that allows you to hone your knife to get it back to that sharp, nice, beautiful edge that we love. So this is not to break up ice.